Hi, I'm Christy. I'm the owner and creator at Lulu Ladybug Creations. Welcome back to another Tumbler tutorial. Please follow me on my other social media pages. You can find me at Lulu Ladybug Creations across all three platforms. I hope you enjoy the beauty of handmade. Okay, so my inspiration for this tumbler was a tumbler that was made by, her name is Jade, and she has a shop on Etsy called the Rain Beau Co. I do have her page link in the description below. Y'all go and check out all her tumblers. She makes beautiful tumblers. But we're going to go ahead and start off with a 20-ounce skinny straight hoggdle by HOGG, the stainless depot. I've already prepped it. I've already painted it with white matte spray paint. Now we're going to go in and with Mod Podge, using the Mod Pod method, and we are going to place from the glitter guide. It's called Avalanche. It's a really beautiful white glitter. I'm almost out, and I don't know if they still sell it at y'all's Hobby Lobby, but he used to have his products, his glitters, for sale at Hobby Lobby. They no longer carry his glitters. I don't know why, but I went into his website and Avalanche is not available on his website. I believe I might have put in a substitute white glitter. I'm not too sure, but this is a really pretty holographic white glitter. So we're going to go ahead and place it over the entire tumbler, and we'll come in after it's dried for about 30-40 minutes. I'll seal it in with Rust-Oleum 2x clear spray paint, just so I don't lose all the glitter all over the place when I'm placing the epoxy. And we'll go in and place Flynn Sisters Fast Cure epoxy in her original formula. Now, I cut out these little clouds from, did I get them? I think I got them from Creative Fabrica. I'm not too sure. I know I have the link. If it's Creative Fabrica, I have the link down below. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and place these cloud stencils, which will be our Peekaboo portion of the tumbler. Now, I don't know if I'll show it on the video, but these stencils were really hard. Once I placed them on, I was trying to adjust it and move it over, and I couldn't lift it. So that told me that the epoxy wasn't ready for stenciling. I don't know if maybe I didn't mix the epoxy right, which could have been the problem. But anyways, what I ended up doing is I ended up pulling up off camera all these clouds, and I put another single coat of epoxy, Flynn Sisters Fast Coat epoxy, and I let it cure one more time. I don't have it on video, but what I do is I lift up all these clouds and I'll recut them and I'll place them back on after the second coat has been cured. All right, so what I did now, I didn't show painting the gold handle. I wasn't going to put the gold handle, but I ended up doing that off screen. So I did paint the tumbler with Colorshot in Splash and in Scuba, and I did it ombre. And of course I'm using the glitter by glitter in Courage, which is the purple, and Rosecco, which is the pink. And I'm also going to use a glitter from Hobby Lobby called Sunny Yellow. Now this ombre color that I did the spray paint with came out really, really cute. I never have so much good luck on painting ombres, and this one looked pretty good. But you know, I was out of habit. I was gonna do the glitter with Mod Podge, and out of habit I started placing the Mod Podge over the entire tumbler. Now I didn't need to place it over the entire tumbler because I'm only doing a rainbow. So you know, it was force of habit. I went ahead and did the whole cup with Mod Podge. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the Rosecco from the glitter guy. It'll be our very first color in the rainbow. And then after that, we'll go in with the Sunny Yellow. Now, the glitter guy glitters are very, very pretty. You know, I really actually need to stock up again because it's been a minute since I've ordered some glitter. But anyways, we'll get this Rosecco placed on, and then we'll go in with the next color. All right, so now we're going in with Hobby Lobby glitter, and it's called Sunny Yellow. It's an ultrafine glitter, and it's got like a color shift to it, almost like a green color shift. So I'm pretty much almost getting two colors with this one color. It came out really pretty. So we're going to do with the yellow next, and then after the yellow, we'll go in with our next color. Okay, now we're going in with the glitter guys glitter, and it's called Courage, and it's a holographic fine glitter. We're going to do that. That'll be our last glitter color. After all this glitter has been placed on the tumbler, what I'll do is I'll let it dry. I'll let the Mod Podge dry for a little bit. Then I'll go in and I'll spray the rainbow with Rust-Oleum clear spray paint, just so that my glitter colors don't mix when I'm putting the epoxy. Okay, so the Mod Podge has dried. The clear spray paint has dried. Now what I'm going to do is take my weeding pen and go in and lift up all those cloud stencils. And you'll see when I lift them up, the white glitter will show really, really pretty underneath. We'll get all these lifted up, then we'll put it on the turner that I get from, I get also my turner from Etsy. It's called Truquality. I have his link in the description too. But I'll go in once I have all these stencils lifted up, and I will place a coat of Flint Sisters Fast Cure epoxy. Okay, so I cut out offsets of the clouds in matte gold vinyl from Cricut, and I will place those offsets on each matching cloud. I try to use the parchment paper hack to place my clouds, and it worked for that one cloud, but for the other clouds, it just wasn't working. Cheat wasn't working. The cheat method of placing my offsets wasn't working this time with the parchment paper. Y'all see those golden clouds off to the side? I try to save the inside of those offsets to possibly use in another project. So that's why you see them there. Now we're going to put my logo down at the bottom. I did reprint all these little logos, recut them, and I made them a little bit larger. They were too small. But of course I want to use up what I have right now. So always put your logo, your name, or whatever at the bottom. That way when you do sell your tumblers, they know, they remember who it's coming from. Okay, so what I did here is I cut out a few encouraging words out of the gold vinyl. And I'm going to place them in between several different little clouds. And of course, after I get these all placed on the tumbler, then we'll go in with our final coat of epoxy. Now these words that I'm placed either say believe, they say believe, dream, blessed, courage, and I had one more. I believe I had one more. Maybe I didn't. But yeah, believe, dream, courage. Oh, and success. And success was the last word I had. And my apologies for not putting the name of the font that I used for these words. I have to remember to do that next time I use lettering in my tutorials. So I do apologize for that. Alrighty, so here's the finished tumbler. Again, I want to thank the Rain Beau Co, Jade, for letting me use her creation to recreate my version. Her cup is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all need to go check out her link down below. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If y'all have any comments, any questions, any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to reply just as soon as I see it. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment and tap that bell to get notified on future videos that I post. And thank you for watching. Please check out the next videos that I have here for you.